Hello you all guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be giving you a hack to success, like financial freedom. That's what I'm going to be telling you in today's video. So I want to first by informing you guys that I've already created a WhatsApp group where I'm going to be teaching some amounts of person how to make money online and how it all started. I started this group few hours ago, and as you can see, this group have over 20 participants, and the name of the group is The Rich Mind. So I'll be leaving the link to join this group in the description box. I will be dropping my number in the description box. So go ahead, go over to the description box and copy my number and text me on WhatsApp so that I can join, so that I can add you to this group, because class will commence soon. In this group I'm going to be giving them my full complete blueprint of how I started an online business. I'm not talking of anyhow online business, like a legitimate online business that is feeding me money, that is feeding myself, that is helping me to afford those things. I'm not saying that I'm only millions of naira, no, but at least those things that I need, that I can afford them with this business, that I'm going to be teaching these people that are already in this group. So just message me on WhatsApp. I'll leave my number in the description, but message me on WhatsApp so that I can add you to this group, because in this group I'll be showing them exactly the things that I did, like step by step. How I went from being someone that comes online on Facebook, on Instagram, on WhatsApp to come and beg people for money, beg people for card, to being someone who is into networking, into digital marketing, content marketing, so many other business. I'm going to be showing them like everything. And if you can join this group, or you can join this class, it's going to be a success for you, like a short success for you. So join the class. I'm going to be giving them exactly my blueprint. You don't want to miss this. My intention was not to keep this away from you guys, but I said that no, you guys are my family too, so I have to share it with you guys. So this is an opportunity for you. If you miss up on this opportunity and then you see other testimonies on this group or on this channel, and then you're like, how wish I. So I don't want that for you. So just message me on WhatsApp now. My number is in the description box, so that you can come over here on WhatsApp, so that I can add you to the group before class commences. Remember, I will show them exactly my blueprint, like exactly everything I did, how it all started, what I did, who taught me, what I found, everything, like my blueprint, the path I followed, everything. I'm going to be sharing with them in this group. So click on so message me with my number in the description box, so that I can add you up to this group with over 20 participants within few hours of just adding members. Okay, so I'll catch you up in my next video. Don't forget to message me on WhatsApp so that I can be added before class commences. Thanks for watching this video.